What's up, guys? Mark here from VIP Shop Management. I have some exciting news. We partner with SiriusXM Service Lane for shops. It's a program. It's a free program for our repair shop owners. It's gonna build a strong relationship between you and your customers. I'm gonna explain how it works. Before I do that, I just want to show this video that from SiriusXM. So yeah, it's like I said, it's a free program. There's no charge. I'm gonna talk about how it works. So basically, VIP and the SiriusXM just partner together. If you wanna enroll and be part of it, you could. What SiriusXM will do is they will give your customers 3 month free trial subscription with no credit card needed for your customer. So basically, the customer literally can use it and don't have to sign up for anything. They just can, plug in the code in a radio or something and use it. 3 months free trial. It's gonna say I believe it's gonna say they're gonna send a card in, and it's gonna say your shop name on it. It's as a thank you from your shop. From basically, SiriusXM will send a card from your behalf saying thank you to your customers with a 3 months free trial. I think your customer is gonna love that. Me personally, I use the SiriusXM for a long time. I'm a big fan of them. I have two cars, and both of them have SiriusXM. I can't do AM, FM anymore. Just free commercial. There's no commercial, and they have so many type of music, talk shows, sports, all of it. And it's really important to thank your customers because they're the one they keep the lights on. Without our customers, we can't do anything. So I'm excited for VIP to give this to our customers at no charge. And same thing with you, that you can do the same thing and do that for your customers. Give them some thank you notes. Thank you note on its own is a big deal. So imagine thank you note with some free subscription to SiriusXM. That's going to be really excited. I'm going to show you how. Well, let's talk about real quick, like what it says right here. SiriusXM Service Lane for shop is a free program for shop owner. It's SiriusXM most extensive offer designed to complement your customer service and loyalty programs. Eligible customers who bring in their factory-equipped vehicles for auto service or repair will be eligible for 3 months for 3 month SiriusXM Platinum trial subscription with over 165 channel of commercial free music plus sports, news, talk, and entertainment. So how it works, it's really simple. Let's talk about how you sign up. Under CRM, you're going to see SiriusXM. I've been talking about CRM for a long time, customer relationship management, and I've been looking for something like that it's not going to cost anything. And I really was amazed that it's not going to cost anything because everything has a cost, but in this situation, it works for just the way we have Carfax, where we don't charge monthly subscription on Carfax for to see the Carfax reports and the license plate. We have the same thing. I was able to bring something else, which is I'm really excited, which is called SiriusXM. It's free and it worked for both, basically in exchange of data. So VIP will send your when you create invoices. That's how it works. When you create invoices, VIP will send SiriusXM, and SiriusXM will send your customers thank you free trial, 3 months free trial subscription with your name on it. And I think I'm really excited when this happen. I'd like to see the card itself to see how it looks like, because I already don't know how it looks like, but I'm sure it looks fantastic. I mean, I've been working with the team for over a month now, and I love them, and they do things differently. They have designers. They're definitely on a different level. And this is the page right here. So basically, to enroll with SiriusXM, just click on CRM, SiriusXM, and you can learn more about it. The most important part, it is for free, so nobody has an excuse. I believe every shop should be part of it. I know my shop, my ex shop VIP, will be part of it. You can read about it here. You can watch the video right here, and when you're ready, just click on enroll now. And this is all the terms. You can read those terms, and make sure you add your first and last name right here. And once you're ready, just click on I have read and I agree to the terms, and I click I agree, and successfully enrolled. And just like that, you're ready to go. They're gonna send you an email to confirm your email, so make sure you confirm your email, and you're good to go. That's it. You don't have to do anything else. SiriusXM will take it from there. I believe for auto repair shops, since we're so busy and we really don't make a crazy money where you want to hire a department for CRM, for customer relationship management, we need two things. Number one, we need something affordable. There's nothing more affordable than free. And number two is it needs to be automated. And because we're too busy, like when I was a shop owner, I was too busy to do any of this stuff. And now SiriusXM is helping doing this stuff for you for free, and your customer happy, you're happy, SiriusXM happy. So it's a win-win situation. And just the fact that my VIP shop manager is going to be part of SiriusXM, I'm really excited about it. And so is your shop. The fact is your shop is part of SiriusXM, you should be excited about it. And this kind of offers that used to be from the dealerships only before. Now actually it's coming from auto repair shops or body shops, and that's really exciting. I can't wait for you to. I can't wait for it to be launched. Actually, it was supposed to be launched today, but it should be launched tomorrow for sure. Once you make sure, if you see SiriusXM and you click on it, it doesn't do anything. Just make sure you click on help and check for updates, and make sure you're up to date. And just enroll. I hope everybody enrolls and be part of it, and use it to the max. I have one rule that I've been using in my shop management. Anything for free, I use it until it's either not for free or they don't offer it anymore. And I think in this situation with SiriusXM, I believe they're gonna be offered it as much as possible, just like Carfax, because it's an exchange of data basically. And like I said, it's a win-win situation. So it's been a hard work from both of us, from SiriusXM and from us to make it happen. I'm really excited about it, and enjoy basically. I do have another good news soon. We'll be talking about it, but thanks for watching.